What up, rock leaders? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at the new developments here in South Georgetown. This is the bridge that they're building here at Princess Street and that's Cemetery Road or Lesington Road, right? So it's continuous with Lesington Road, right? Then the distance is Durban Street. The end of this street is Durban, and with a slight left, you get to Lesington Road. But I just want to give you an update on what's happening here. So they're building a bridge, so they're finally coming around to building this bridge here at the end of Cemetery Road in section with Princess Street. So the last time we were here, we did a walkthrough, show you that they had paved the western side of this road, closed it and paved it, and they had started constructing this culvert. So now they have laid down the foundation for the bridge, right? They've laid down the foundation for the bridge, at least this half. And I suppose what will happen is that they will close, once they've completed the bridge, of course, they will close this half. They will close the other half and open this half. So this half of Cemetery Road has been paved, but it's now closed. The other half is carrying both traffic in both directions, and the bridge across this canal is under construction. Now, what is controversial about this situation is that the Minister of Works, Public Works, has threatened to cancel the contract given to this contractor because the work is taking too long. It's been delayed several times, and now I think they've finally decided that it's time to finish it, and I suppose they're reviewing the performance of the contractor who's responsible for building this road. It's a local contractor, I believe. In fact, it's on that sign. Let me see. I've actually shown you signs before. Let's see if we can find information about who's building this road on that sign. But the situation is that they're now becoming impatient at the contractor for the delays in completing this project, and it's been in the news recently that they're considering closing out business, canceling the contract with these guys. It is in fact Avinash Contracting and Scrap Metal Inc. Building bridges, roads, etc. General construction. So that's their sign, and in the news recently has been a statement by the Minister of Public Works. Yeah. They're closing out the contract. Yeah, no, Minister of Works said they're going to cancel the contract, give it to somebody else. Because it's taking too long. So that's the situation, guys. People are impatient.
every man in his way, you know. I pass every man, the man from this corner. What the fuck? All the thing I need to know.
You sure enough?
I don't know why they don't fix this fucking thing, they don't fix this fucking road, man.
Anyway, this is what's happening, guys. People are impatient now with the length of time it's taking. The other half of the road is still unpaved and therefore dusty, especially when traffic on it dries quickly. So those of you who wanted to know an update, to get an update on this cemetery road project, construction of cemetery road, this was what's happening. That's the Larry Pinter Cemetery. That's looking back. The end, that construction at the end has been going on for about a month, and I agree that it's taking much too long to complete. But again, there are no standards, there are no regulations for these local contractors, and so what you get is haphazard in terms of quality, in terms of the kind of construction that's going on in Guyana, and people are justifiably upset. But this is, guys, this is what's happening on Cemetery Road. This section of it is being resurfaced. It's been ongoing for more than a year, but there has been progress. It's just been very, very slow. And now the Minister of Public Works, Bishop Edgehill, has decided to review the contract that was given to the contractor who was supposed to be conducting this construction. That's Larry Pinter Cemetery. It's a major cemetery in Georgetown. I think it's becoming quite full now. They opened the eastern half because the west side had become full. There's also a crematorium at the eastern end. So some people still opt for cremation, but here's the cemetery as it is in 2024. Anyway, guys, that's what's up. That's just the update on this section of the city. I'm still heading south. I want to check out what's happening down on the bypass road and the new bridge across the Demerara River. Those are some updates we're going to see coming up this month. I'm going to get out on the river in one of these boats, river taxis, take a look at the city from the river and show you what's happening along the riverbank, comparing what was planned by the previous government and what's being done now. If you want to see more content like this, click like and subscribe. Oh yeah, and I'm still supposed to do an update on what's happening at Timeri at the airport. Some people are keeping track of the building construction and stuff that's happening at the airport. There's also a memorandum of understanding between the government of Guyana and I think another government. I don't know if it's Middle East or if it's Dominican Republic, but for the construction of a modern airport facilities at Timeri. So I assume that's going to mean massive reconstruction of the Cheddi Jagan International Airport, but we're gonna investigate that and bring you an update on it in the coming weeks. Share this video with friends and family around the world. Let people know what's happening here in Georgetown. Construction of Cemetery Road, St. John Road, in the fastest growing country in the world, Guyana. Later!